how to edit your listings individually in the bulk editor. This is a great way. There are some options that to change when each listing has its own specific characteristics, but you want to do a bunch of them at once in the bulk editor, but each listing has to be changed separately. Instead of bringing up each listing and revising it separately, you can do this in the bulk editor. This is a great way to change or add weight and dimensions to listings if you don't already have that in, as well as adding shipping options to them. So you can go to Selling Manager, which you can see I'm in Selling Manager right now, and I brought up my active listings, which are 270, and you can edit them all at once. I don't know if there's a limit to how many you can do at once, but for me, I can do all 270, or you can do it by category. So you could start with your first category and your second category, and you could do each one by one if you want. For this demonstration, I am going to go in and I am going to do a category. Let's find fashion. I'm going to do fashion. I'm going to change all my fashion listings. So I'm going to bring up fashion and I'm going to hit search. And it's going to bring up all of the clothing and fashion items that I have in there. And then it'll ask me if I want to select all 32 listings, or I could just select the ones that I want to do, and I'm going to edit all 32 listings. I'm going to take notice over here that I have some items that are ending like 46 minutes, 17 hours. You may not be able to edit items that are ending within a certain time. It may be 12 hours. I don't know what the threshold there is. So the first two on here, I may not be able to edit. So I'm going to edit all 32 listings, and we're going to give it time to come up. It's going to show him right there, 32 listings, and all of my listings have populated. And then I'm going to click the button up here to select them all, edit fields, and let's do package weight and dimensions. And if I change it here, editing in bulk, it will change the dimensions and the weight to be the same on all 32 of these listings. Well, I don't want to do that. I need to change each one individually, but I don't want to go into each listing and hit revise and go through it and then save and continue in the whole 9 yards. So we're going to come up here to this menu and we're going to go edit listings individually. And it's going to bring up all of my listings. And the first one is going to be wearable art, and let's change that to 11. So it'll be 15 by 11 by 3, and we're going to change the weight to 14 ounces. We'll go down here and we'll click on Save and Next. When that's done, it's going to bring up the next item, and here's a Jewish humor spoof t-shirt that I have. And I'm going to change that to 11 inches, and I'm going to change this one to 11 ounces. And hit Save and Next. Let's see, 12 by 12 by 5. We can change this one. We'll change this back. We'll change it up here to 11. 11, and once again, let's go for 13 ounces. And now let's say I was done, or I had gotten to the end of it and I wanted to finish them all. I could go Save and Close. And that's it. All of those have been edited. But I haven't submitted the changes yet. Now let's say I want to do some other. Let's say I want to go to international shipping. And I want to change my international shipping. Well, if I change it here, edit listings in bulk, it's going to change it on all of my 32 listings that I'm currently editing. So once again, I can go edit listings individually. And then it'll bring it up, and I can determine how I can sell this globally. I can change any of my international choices, and then once again go to save and next, and then when you're at the end, save and close or whatever. But I don't need to change any of these because these are set the way that I want already. And so that would be doing that in the bulk editor to do your listings one by one. And it's a whole lot faster than bringing up each listing one by one and making changes. You can do all kinds of changes this way. I believe that you can probably change your return policy individually. So you can individually edit every one of your listings in the bulk editor, but you can do them individually. And we're all done here, so I'm going to submit the changes. 32 listings to be submitted. And finish. And there it is. I've changed 32 listings, and I did it in no time at all. Well, I could have done 32 listings, and I could have done it in no time at all. And that's it. I hope this helps.